Hi everyone, welcome to How to Login. I'm back with another tutorial content on how to log into your ICICI Bank using a mobile web browser. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Tap open your web browser on your mobile device. Soon after you do that, in the address bar type in www.icicibank.com and search. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official website for ICICI Bank. Now, at the top right corner of the screen, you'll be able to see a login button with a human figure in it. Tap it on, and you'll get to choose the login area from where you'd like to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can tap on this new user link at the bottom of the screen. Follow the on-screen prompts in order to register yourself to a new account. If you'd like to log in since you already have an account, go ahead and select the area that is displayed on the screen from where you'd like to log in. Let me go ahead and tap on this personal banking option to log into my personal banking account. On the next page, enter your user ID where it says user ID. Make sure to type in your user ID correct and then type in your password on the next field. You can also go ahead and type in your mobile number on the next text field where it says mobile number and tap on proceed in order to log in. Since I'm typing in my credentials to log into my account, that is my user ID and the password, after you're done typing it in, tap on the login button at the top. But in case you've forgotten your user ID or your password, you can tap on this link right here at the bottom where it says forgot user ID or password in order to look for your user ID or to reset your password. After everything's typed in correct, tap on the login button at the top of the screen in order to log into your account on ICICI mobile banking. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.